Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. As is usual at this time of year, I stop looking at my daily and weekly charts and instead concentrate on the longer term view using my monthly, even yearly charts. If you'd like to discuss any of these, I'd only be too happy to hear from you. However, before we start, I just wanted to let you know that no AI, that is artificial intelligence, was ever used in the composition, production, or recognition of any of the patterns, levels, analysis, or any related items on these, my charts. This was all authentic intelligence, all my own original work, as I think you deserve to have that. So with that, let me now introduce today's longer term chart.
Today I'll be looking long term at Bitcoin. There is one overwhelming pattern here that has been running the market higher since 2022. It is a dark blue highlighted 2020 to 2022 bullish Andrews pitchfork. Despite all the gyrations, hyperbole and opinion masters news, this market still continues to remain within this pattern, despite a few months out in late 2023. We're right now in between the overhead dark blue middle time, which is currently at 107.120, and a dark blue lower time below, currently at 71.428. In addition to this, into this major pattern, we have other features that should be noted. The first is the now overhead bright red 1 year moving average, currently at 99.350. I'm not sure how much of a resistance this would put up in any serious attempt higher. Then there is the green rising 2 year moving average, currently at 86.032. This had been a support to the low of the market in both November and December 2025, and so far also in January 2026, though there is no previous indication of such a desire except in January to April 2021. We also have the bright green October 23 to date uptrend, currently at 88.089, which has been breached, but as yet not seen a definitive close below it. Additionally, I have two other trend lines that are unhighlighted. The first one is a 2-pointer 2025 uptrend, currently at 82.219. That might just have aspirations to become a head and shoulders neckline. That's something to think about. If ever, and something to keep an eye on, just in case we have a rally this year. And actually, if that rally halts short of the 2025 high and then starts turning lower, this will then raise the question as to whether it is a head and shoulders top or a less common head and shoulders continuation pattern. The second is Tom Bradshaw's death line, currently at 134.827. This is an unhighlighted upper trend line connecting the tops of 2024 and 2025, and I attribute this to Tom Bradshaw, who first pointed it out to me. Together, these two make a possible rising, expanding wedge pattern, but I will not call it that, as it is just a step too far in optimizing what is happening into a preconceived idea that barely holds water at the moment.
Thank you for watching and listening. This annual broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.